So far, we consist all the sentences in positive way. I am, this is, you are, and questions. And we're going to learn how to make a negative sentence using not. Okay? So let's look at the examples. The first one is, okay, this is the core sentence. 私は医者です means I am a doctor. 医者 is doctor. And then this part, です changes to ではありません. There are many ways to make a negative sentence, but so far we've learned a speech pattern. It's either ends です、あります、います. So let's just memorize all the form changes. Okay? So repeat after me. 私は医者ではありません. Very good. Actually, the denying part is right here, ません. When you hear the sen at the end, pretty much it's denial. And I have another example using there is, there are. Let's say it was 車があります. That was there is a car. And now you say there isn't a car. You say 車がありません. Yes, very similar. You use ありません both times. And actually, when you use います, it's the same change. The す part changes いません. So this M part is the denial. And also, we only use the verb is, am, are in English. So we're going to get into the verb, then we learn more denials. But so far, this is the form you have to know.